This is a second video tutorial in the series of tutorials on a Scholarly article. From the first video tutorial, now you know more about types of academic articles. You know what you're looking for. The next step is to learn where to look and how to do research or how to find academic articles. You have different scenarios. Sometimes your instructor will ask you to find an article and provide you with a complete citation, author, title, year, the source or journal. You maybe find complete citation and reference list in a book or article. In this case, I recommend to use so-called wide-scale indexes like SuperSearch or EBSCO Discovery Search, Scopus, Web of Science, Google Scholar, and other wide-scale indexes. Use advanced search option which each database have, where you can type title, author, journal, and other information from citation. Some wide-scale search indexes have a special template for citation searching. For example, Web of Science guides you in the template called Cited Reference Search. Google Scholar has the template for advanced search and citation search, which is quite hidden. You have to click on the little arrow in the right corner of the basic search window. Unfortunately, our searching technology is not perfect, and linking from the record with citation to full text is not as smooth as should be. I always check if the library has a journal before I request that article through interlibrary loan. How to find if the library has a journal? From the main library site, right above SuperSearch window, click on a tab called Journal Holdings. You may search for a journal if you know only first or exact title. Many students who are accustomed to using such search engine as Google or Bing prefer to use EBSCO Discovery or SuperSearch. I would not recommend using it all the time. If you're looking for an article or particular topic within a specific discipline or field of study, I do recommend to use subject-specific databases. If I know what I'm looking for, the next step I should learn where to look for. For students who do not know where to go, librarians created a browsable list of databases by subject. Also, I also recommend consult Thesaurus or index of subject descriptors that many databases have. Your search will be more accurate and if you use right keywords and vocabulary in your discipline of study. As always, make your search more effective by learning to filter, limit your search before you start searching. I prefer to use advanced search interface. How to locate subject-specific databases? On the library website, find a heading title, Databases by Subject and Type. If you search or try to locate databases You can also use research guides. Inside research guides on a specific topic or subject, you can find also a list of databases that help you with researching these topics. For example, College of Education librarian creates a list of subject, discipline, or topic-specific databases. As we have learned from the previous tutorial about scholarly article, there are different types of articles, and you would apply different searching strategy to find each type. For example, your instructor asks you to find research study or empirical article or peer review article. Some databases allow you to limit your search to a particular document. For example, find research reports. If it's not the case, you can type keywords in a searching field called abstract. You can type study, methods, findings, typical keywords, typical section for any reports research study. Limit to peer-reviewed journals and watch for so-called IMRAD structure: introduction, methods, results, and discussion. Here's an example of how to set up all these parameters and perform the search for research report in ERIC. The next tutorial will be how to request an article from another library.